you guys watched yesterday's video, Jill and I sat down and we gave you an overview of our trip to Mexico. And in that trip, I referenced some of our makeup amazing time that we had. Basically, every night we sat down and did our makeup for 2 hours before dinner, and it was the most glorious time of my life. Like, that was my vacation, was sitting, spending time doing my makeup, learning new things, doing new things with my makeup. And I was so excited because the end of the trip, we sat down, we made a Sephora order, and so when I got home, all of the makeup that I was using of Allie's was at my doorstep. So before, and because I love this stuff, I wanted to sit down and like share these things with you for so many different reasons. For anyone that may be going on a tropical trip that would like some like fun new makeup, that any real vacation anyway. Stocking stuffers for your girlfriend, or ideas for you that you want to send links to your boyfriend, your husband, whoever, to get you your stocking stuffers that you need in the correct shades. So before I show you what I bought new, I want to show you what I brought on the trip that was literally a must. There's 3 items here. I got a spray tan before I went, and spray tans get eaten off the moment you step into chlorine, the moment you step into the salty ocean water. You know, you take a shower, you use a scrub, you go to the spa, they use anything, it just like starts eating away at your tan immediately. So I knew that I wanted to bring something on the trip, and I looked at several different like high-end tanning, like wipe on tan stuff, and I could not find anything that I liked. Allie gave me this. It's from the drugstore. This is L'Oreal Beach Bay, and it comes in many different colors. I'm pretty pale, and this is medium to deep, shade 22. Basically, it's like a lotion. It rubs in so well. You can see the color. Like, it always looks, oh, that doesn't look bad. I was gonna say it kind of looks like it's showing up orange, but it really isn't. Like, it's like the most glorious, and it looks scary. I put a lot on and all you can see is my hand. It blends in so well. Like, it blends in so well. So basically I would cover my whole body. Let me wipe that off. Basically I covered my whole body in that every time from like the neck down, and then I would do my makeup, and it worked out really well. I will make sure to link all of these products in the description that I'm gonna show you. So just a heads up, all of everything that I will be showing you will be in the description for you. Okay, these are bronzers. They are also by L'Oreal. This is the Bronze Please, and this is, one is in the shade 3 and one is in the shade 4. I actually used the shade 3 for my, contour today, like bronze contour today, and when I was on vacation I used the number 4, and I would literally just use it like a regular bronzer, but then I would take my brush and I would do my neck, my chest, my shoulders, my arms, like the whole works. Anyway, that was glorious as well. And then you have to have a good highlighter. Even if on days that we would go out to the beach, I would take my highlighter and do it on my shoulders, and I would do it on my décolleté. Anyway, my favorite one that I use basically the whole time is Becca by Moonstone, and I like this one because it doesn't have a super gold shade, it doesn't have a super gold, peach shade. It was kind of the perfect blend of, it's the perfect blend between like a white and gold and peach. Like, it's, I swear it's just like all of it wrapped in one. So this one's my favorite. I dropped it at the airport, so it is a little bit broken in there, so I was being a little careful with it. But anyway, that's my favorite highlighter. I not only use that one on like vacations and stuff, but I use that one every single day. Okay, time to open my package. Oh, I'm like giddy. I am so giddy. It was fun because I was able to use the shades before I actually bought them. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, so I'm gonna start with this spray. This is Rose Gold Skin Mist. It's by the brand Farsali, and I use the Morphe setting spray on my face quite a bit. I use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray quite a bit. If you have dry skin, this is so good. So this is what it looks like out of the box, and it has little gold flecks in there, and I don't know, it does not make your skin oily, it just makes it look really dewy. And that was the look I was going for. That's the look I wanted. And with my dry skin, I'm going to need this every single day of my life. So anyway, this is what I used the whole time on the trip. Ellie had it and I definitely purchased this one. It was just so good. Now, cream contour might scare a lot of people. I need to do tutorials on these things. I need to sit down and do a video using these products because they're not scary. In fact, they're very easy. I don't know if you guys have heard the brand Huda Beauty. She's huge. Like, she's just a massive beauty influencer. This is a cream contour, and you basically apply it the exact same way you would apply your powder bronzer, but it just looks so much more healthy. I like adding color to my face without using powder, especially because I am so dry. It's so good. This is so good. I actually bought the milk version of this. That's the brand Milk, and it wasn't as good. So I'm totally gonna go return my Milk cream bronzer, and I'm going to use this one because I like the color on this one so much better. And this is made for fair skin. It's really hard to find bronzers made for fair skin. This is in the shade Fair. Anyway, loved that so stinking much. I have got to do a tutorial. I'm looking at these products and I'm just dying because I just want to show them to you. I am going to sit down and I'm going to record this. Okay, so this is a blush by Patrick Ta. He's an influencer and then started his own makeup line, and it is now in Sephora, so killer. This is in the shade She's Seductive. Tell me that's not gorgeous. So gorgeous, so naturally, just like, it's just like a, and by naturally I just mean like, it's not pink, it's not mauve, it's just like a real, I don't want to say fleshy tone because that does not sound appetizing, but it is. It's just a very beautiful color, and the packaging is super pretty. And along with that, there is a, ooh, boy, mommy splurged. Okay, I have the lip liner and the lipstick that goes with it. Okay. Oh my gosh. It is so beautiful. So this is, it's a lip cream, silky lip cream, yes. So it isn't a matte lipstick, so it doesn't make me want to just suffocate and die. Then the lip liner that goes, like, that coordinates with it is also just super beautiful. I'll show this to you. So the lip liner is She's Proud, She's Unapologetic is the lipstick shade. I don't know if you can tell, but those on, woo, mama. I told Allie, I said, you single-handedly have gotten me back into like the groove of makeup. I mean, I've always loved makeup, but just like sparked my interest in getting new products. I've literally been wearing the same products for so long, and I should do a video on that, the products that I've been using for the last 2 years, just so you can see what I've used for so long. Anyway, when I do my eyeshadow, I always just use my concealer, put it on my eyelid, and then when I set my under eye, I set my eyelid, and that's what I do for a eyeshadow base, and it works really well. It's like totally fine to do. This eyeshadow primer though, wow. So you put it on your eyelid. This one is, you can get it in clear. It also comes in tinted colors. This is the lightest color because I am fair. But it's an eyeshadow primer that you stick on your eyes. You blend it out, and then it just dries to a powdery finish. It's still slightly tacky, and it feels wild when you start putting your eyeshadow on, like, oh, like you feel like it's gonna grab the color, but it doesn't. It blends out super, super well, and it makes your eyeshadows just look that much more vibrant. Because sometimes I'm like, I'm doing all the same steps that everyone else is, but my eyeshadow isn't like popping. Anyway, this makes it poppin'. It's the NARS Tinted Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. On to the next box. Oh, this is not my first Fenty Beauty product. So Fenty Beauty is Rihanna's makeup line, and I've ordered things from her and I've returned them because I didn't love them. I used this Diamond Balm All Over Diamond Veil. Diamond Balm All Over Diamond Veil. That's a lot of diamond. That's pretty. That's like the packaging that it came in. It is a highlighter, but it is it is a more glittery highlighter. It definitely has like a wild feel to it. Like you can almost feel the glitter in it. But it's super finely milled glitter, so it definitely works as a highlighter. But this is for like New Year's Eve. This is for super intense highlight in your inner corner. I should have been using this. I'll like smudge it out so you can see it's just like diamonds. I mean, she picked the right name for it. I should have been wearing that to the beach on my shoulders. That's what I should have been wearing. Whew, so pretty. Okay, this is my last product that I'm going to show to you. And it is the Hourglass, and I hate showing this to you because it's so expensive. I don't love paying $30 for a lip gloss. It is a larger lip gloss, but it's a super pigmented lip gloss, and it's just that good. It's just that good. So it's High Shine Volumizing Lip Gloss in the shade Unreal. I love the wand that it comes with. You can just see it's just a really nice lip gloss with a really good color. And for me, what sold me on it was it has a minty smell to it, but I just liked the way that it wore. Like, I just don't like dry lipsticks. I have been getting into lip liners a lot more lately. Someone asked me on the trip, I posted a picture and they were like, did you get lip filler? I was like, no, and I'm not even offended that you asked, because I have recently been trying to like just, I don't know, give my lips more attention, because I don't know, I just like usually throw lipstick on or whatever, but I don't take the time to line it. Anyway, so this is the lip liner I showed you earlier. I wanted to put it next to the lip gloss because I thought that they looked good together when you wear them together. So those are the ones that I got. That's kind of my makeup haul. I'm trying to think if there's any other like products that I used while I was on the trip that was kind of like my go-to. I think that was like pretty much it. That was like pretty much it. So like I said, I will make sure to I'll put one link in the description, and it'll take you to a link where you can click on each different item. It just makes it a little easier for you, I think, when you're looking at links and things. So those will all be in the description. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I do. Basically, it was me sitting here like fangirling on my makeup. Kind of wild. I don't know. It was really fun. I am going to film a video using these products sometime in the future. Anyway, gearing up for the holiday makeup situation, I'm set. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, I would of course love you to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.